Hello and welcome to an unpackaging video of a brand new graphic novel from Marvel based on ABC's Once Upon a Time called Shadow of the Queen. Now this hardback book was released yesterday in the UK and today, Tuesday 3rd of September 2013 in the US, and I'm going to let you have a look inside and give you my initial thoughts on this fantastic looking graphic novel. Now this is shrink wrapped, so first of all we do need to take off the shrink wrap, so let's do that straight away. Okay, so here we have it, and it does come in a very nice glossy dust jacket just there, and looks very, very nice. And as you can see there on the front, we do have fantastic artwork. Take a look at the back. That is about there. And I'll very quickly just zoom in on the synopsis here. Here is a look at the spine. We've got Marvel at the top, Once Upon a Time, Shadow of the Queen, and then the same front cover artwork down at the bottom with Regina and the Huntsman. Now if I go ahead and take off the dust jacket, we can have a look at the front cover there. That is what it looks like. The back is just plain brown. So now I'm going to go ahead and take a look inside and let you have a look at what there is. On the left here we have information about the creators. Credits. On the left there is a message from Eddie Kitsis and Adam Horowitz, the creators of Once Upon a Time. Chapter 1. The artwork looks absolutely stunning. Wow, this looks fantastic. Chapter 2. Amazing. Chapter 3. And chapter 4. Oh my god, I cannot wait to actually read this. It looks so, so good. And that is the end of the graphic novel. Now there is some bonus material here, including some concept art from Once Upon a Time, and then some character sketches, very nice indeed. There's then some more material from the TV show, and more character sketches. The art process, and that is all. So there we have it. So my overall first impressions of this book, without actually having read anything, are absolutely stunning, fantastic artwork, and to be honest I cannot wait to get reading this. It looks fantastic and I hope you guys have enjoyed my look through, and I'd really love to know what you guys think of this. Will you be picking it up? If you're a Once Upon a Time fan, or possibly a Marvel fan, or an overall Disney fan like me, will you be picking up this first graphic novel from Once Upon a Time? I think it's fantastic, and I hope my little look through there has done it justice, and so fantastic. I am Joe Worthington, aka CruellasFurCoat. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you soon. Goodbye.